It's all at the level of common sense and censors. First of all, I apologize to everyone, but I would like to ask you for one favor. I recently petitioned the National Assembly about extra points for military service. Many YouTubers joined and I received great support. With 17 days left, 27,788 people have participated. I'm truly grateful. However, in order to reach 50,000 signatures for the National Assembly petition, more than 20,000 additional people need to agree, so I would like to ask for your help. Let me be clear, even after this petition for military service extra points ends, I won't stop. In the military, I felt and saw so many things. I realized the hardships current soldiers face, especially my company commander, supervisor, and officers. You can only truly understand this by experiencing it yourself. After being discharged and leaving the unit, I promised my company commander and supervisor. I promised that I would do my best to improve the treatment of soldiers. I want to keep that promise. Even after the military bonus point system ends, I will continue working on projects to improve soldiers' treatment still under discussion. There are many things that soldiers are asking for, such as increasing duty allowances, supporting meal expenses for military instructors, raising salaries for junior and mid-level officers, and prohibiting double compensation for military duty-free vouchers. However, current political issues and other factors are delaying essential laws. So I want to act as a spokesperson on your behalf. Someone actually sent me this message by email. The reason why it's difficult for soldiers to speak out publicly is that if they demand better treatment internally, they might be subject to retaliatory transfers, and if they speak out externally, there's a fear that agencies like the Defense Security Command might investigate them. Because of these real difficulties, I will do my best to listen to what soldiers want and speak out on their behalf. To do that, we need to get off to a good start. I know very well that the issue of extra points for military service is not an easy one. However, as I explained earlier, if there is a problem with the extra point system itself, then we just need to improve that system. Some say the system only helps those making it public, so why revisit it? Here's my view. We don't have to provide benefits to every soldier, even if only a few people can receive benefits, and if that small policy encourages someone to join the military, that alone is a success. Right now, we're short on soldiers, so if there are people who enlist because of this kind of system, it would be a successful policy. Above all, if the problem is that only a few people benefit from the system, then we should improve the system, not abolish it. If we can't implement a small policy like this, how could we ever pass something benefiting all soldiers? Probably because of someone's opposition, we won't be able to receive benefits each time. The Constitutional Court ruled the military service bonus system unconstitutional. The Constitutional Court said soldiers should get more compensation through other legal means. Since the military service bonus was abolished, has any real alternative been provided for soldiers? I don't think so. As for compensation, they've only offered things like a 50% discount at amusement parks, a 20% discount at family restaurants, and a discount on test of English for international communication test fees. Do you think that's enough? Is this how those who made noble sacrifices for the country should be treated? We've only had endless debate so far. In the meantime, so many people have dedicated their youth to the country without receiving any compensation. I think it's time for things to change now. The military service bonus system is unconstitutional, yet many men still strongly believe in it. On the other hand, some people might argue that military service members are already receiving benefits in terms of salary grade. If that's the case, let me ask again. After the military service bonus was ruled unconstitutional, has there been any real effort to show respect for discharged soldiers? We haven't started yet. It's time to stop unproductive debates and focus on practical ways to honor military service. I'm hoping for a small step that also feels big. With this petition for the military service bonus system, I aim to unite public opinion to improve soldiers' treatment. If public opinion unites through this petition, even without restoring the military service bonus, other efforts to improve soldiers' treatment will follow. This will trigger a chain reaction to improve soldiers' treatment. Please support the National Assembly petition this time. The link is in the pinned comment and the description. Please make sure to click it. Your click at this very moment makes a difference, and please share so more people can know about this. And I won't give up here. I will work harder for the soldiers who fell protecting our present and those falling today for our future. Please support the petition.